Qualitative research is a vital part of modern studies, but how can we enhance this process with innovative technology? Imagine collecting and analyzing data in a virtual environment, immersing yourself in the research topic. Artificial intelligence and natural language processing can help analyze large volumes of qualitative data quickly and accurately. Blockchain technology ensures the security and integrity of qualitative research data, preventing tampering or unauthorized access. Teleconferencing and online collaboration tools enable researchers to connect and collaborate seamlessly, regardless of geographical barriers. Virtual reality and augmented reality can provide immersive research experiences, allowing researchers to observe and interact with subjects remotely. While innovative technology offers numerous advantages, it's crucial to consider ethical implications when conducting qualitative research. By embracing innovative technology, researchers can unlock new possibilities and revolutionize the field of qualitative research. This video is curated by Dr. Philip Adu, methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting.